We've recently upgraded our iPhone 11 IP9. We're introducing a brand new technology to the market. The new iPhone 11 IP9 comes with an added flex for soldering the original IC onto. This is in order to transfer the original display serial data over to the new display. This will then remove the non-genuine display message you get when you fit an aftermarket display to an iPhone. To transfer the serial data across to an aftermarket display, we would usually have to solder the original IC onto the same location on the new display. The new iPhone 11 IP9 allows you to leave the IC that comes with the IP9 as standard where it is. This IC contains all of the usual functions that enable the display to function, such as True Tone and Display Touch. Then you have the added flex to solder your original IC to if you would prefer your customer to not have the non-genuine pop-up message. You might be wondering why this is important, and there's a couple of reasons why this new technology is important. The number one reason is safety and assurance. Running a repair business can be challenging, especially when you happen to make a mistake. Small errors can cost you valuable time and money. Even if you were to damage the flex during the repair, you'd still have a fully functioning display, with the exception of the non-genuine display message you get still being there. This is especially important as most suppliers do not cover damage to the flex. So if you were to swap the IC via the traditional route and you damage the flex, you might be stuck with a screen that doesn't function. For the second reason, there's less of a risk of damaging the screen due to the location of the flex. This is a common error with swapping ICs, as you're working over the screen and can easily damage the polarizer. The new flex takes away this risk due to its placement. We're aware that some repairers are hesitant to learn and invest in microsoldering. However, we believe Apple screen repairs could become a serious issue for repairers if software compatibility issues continue limiting replacement screens from functioning to their true potential, which is why we believe that microsoldering is an important skill for all repairers to learn, and hopefully this new technology will help repairers to take the leap into microsoldering. If you're wondering how any of this works, we've created an entire breakdown of the whole process, which is up on our guide site. Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are on this new technology and whether you think you'll be trying it out.